Right, what's inside one of those Dell Thunderbolt universal docking stations? The model is tb16. Yeah, just a bit of steel, heavy steel plate, which I will just leave in this here because it's headache to get out. Cable from the fan, which is quite big. A flex cable, fan, the actual Thunderbolt cable, which I possibly can sell online because the whole thing is not really of a great deal. I didn't have any chance to check and test it. Some low grade boards. Oh yeah, another one. And there's a board. Looks okay. Nothing special, no gold BGA chips. So a bit heavy on this side. So I don't know what this could class as. Could this be like a tablet board? I don't think it's a laptop board. Could be a laptop board. Grade. Don't know. Let me know in the comments what this might be classed as. Because by the looks of it, there's not really much on there. There's no NAND chips on it. A few ICs, yeah, but but no gold edged BGAs, no NAND chips, memory chips, unless this one is. No, that one isn't. But yeah, that's about it. Let me know in the comments what this could be graded as.